Today we are packing. This beautiful condo here is going on the market for sale. It's going to be days before we start traveling around the Philippines.
This is crazy. We have so much stuff that we need to sort out.
So I made a rule. If I haven't used it in the last 6 months and it doesn't have sentimental value, I am going to sell it. Such an exciting time. So
exciting but also sad.
we are in full-on crisis mode. Mega full-on lockdown crisis mode. Stressed out, in a rush, but hopefully able to handle the situation. Welcome to a quite different vlog. Today we are here at the condo and we are packing. As you guys saw yesterday, we had a staycation at St. Mark at the Airbnb, by the way. A lot of you guys have been asking where you can book the Airbnb. Well, it is linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. So if you want to stay at the Airbnb, you can book it right there. But as you guys know, this beautiful condo here is going on the market for sale very, very soon. If you're interested, if you're looking for condo, if you're interested in buying, also details in the description box down below. But because we're going to be on the road very, very soon traveling, and I'm talking like days, it's going to be days before we start traveling around the Philippines, we need to get this place sorted and ready for sale, meaning that people can come in, do a property viewing, and check out the place, how it's going to look. And we need to declutter. And we have so many things that we literally need to get rid of just because when we're going to be on the road, we can't take all of this stuff with us. We can't really put it into storage or leave it at the Airbnb. It's just going to be too much of a burden. So I decided to grab all the gadgetries and toys and things, knickknacks that I'm not going to be using anymore, and I'm going to sell them via Facebook Marketplace. But before I sell it on Facebook Marketplace, I obviously wanted to give you guys the opportunity to snatch it up because I'm selling it at quite discounted prices. Like, you'll never be able to buy it online at this price. It's a lot of things that I've gotten through like brand endorsements over the past, you know, it just adds up. It just becomes so much stuff that you can't really use every single day. So I just put everything together so you guys can check it out.
This is crazy. We have so much stuff that we need to sort out.
So stressed out.
Yeah,
right?
the office is like the biggest thing.
Not sure if you're gonna show this. There's like so much stuff in here that has been here since before this building was built.
It's been here when the dinosaurs were still walking around.
Yeah, and it was just. By the way, does any of you want a plaque?
Oh, that's an award. That's my
priceless.
It's my Pusong Pinoy award. Heart of a Filipino. I'm not going to give that away.
So I made a rule. If I haven't used it in the last 6 months and it doesn't have sentimental value, I am going to sell it. So certain things that have a sentimental value, like gifts that I got. My brother gifted me this record player. There's no way I'm going to sell that. So like things that have a high sentimental value or that I'm still using, I'm not going to sell. Everything else I'm going to sell because it just objects kind of start taking over your life and they become stressful for having it. And especially now that we're going to be on the road, traveling, adventuring, going back to the daily vlogging, discovering places that we've never been to, it's going to make it hard to have so much stuff. So yeah, a lot must go and a lot from the office, meaning here's some gadgets. I haven't had the time to play Flight Simulator for such a long time, so I'm gonna be selling my joystick with the thruster and the rudder pedals here. I'm not going to go through all the prices here. It's going to be in the description box. It's going to be a list of the things that I'm selling and what their price is. So I've got the Flight Simulator rudder. It's the Logitech ThrustMaster set, like with the pedals and the joystick, selling them separately. You'll see in the description box down below. Then something I love, absolutely love, but never have time to use it is the Oculus Quest 2. I love this thing so much, but I just don't have the time. So it has to go. Then here, something I was very excited about is I have the one wheel, and I have two of these one wheels, both selling. Like, what's the regular price? It's like 75,000 pesos. Selling it for 45,000 pesos. One is completely new, never been used, and the other one has just been used for one ride. And that's it. Comes with the new box, like original packed box, charger, everything in there. Then my curved LG screen that I've been editing on, like a lot of vlogs on. This one here, selling this as well. Fantastic screen. Saved my eyes through editing so many vlogs. So this one also needs to go because I can't bring this one on the road, obviously. Then another thing that I really loved, but I didn't get to use that often, is this Kyln pizza oven. It is so awesome. It's a gas-powered pizza oven. It's so cool. Used it one time and then it's been in storage. So this is also like a very fun thing. And then this here, oh my god, one of my favorite gadgets ever. It's so cool, but it's just it's impractical to travel with, but it's absolutely phenomenal. The Seakool underwater jetpack. So this is actually like a prototype, like amazing underwater jetpack. Yes. Just put it on and it shoots you through the water. It's literally like you have a jetpack and you transport it through the waters. Absolutely awesome. I really love this thing. And then there's going to be a ton of more stuff. As I sort through here, there's going to be more things for sure. Oh, one thing I definitely just thought of now. GoPro Hero 10. I have the GoPro Hero 11. There's no need to have two GoPros for me, so I'm selling my GoPro Hero 10 as well. Awesome camera. So many of my vlogs were filmed on this. It's just unbeatable, this camera. It's so good. And then I'm also selling this Osmo Pocket, which is a small camera, compact, that has its own gimbal and makes super stable shots. Another thing, oh my god, I loved riding this. This is again like the one wheel, an electric skateboard. So it's powered, you have a remote control, and you can just glide through the city on this. So cool. Please wear a helmet though, both of these devices. Yeah, so that's just what I've got. That's what I've got. No, another one. A kitchen machine, like a stand mixer, like a professional grade, heavy duty stand mixer. Cooked so many amazing foods with it. But again, it weighs like, I don't know, 20 kilos. It can't come with me on the road. If I see anything else, then I'll give you guys an update. But in the description box are all the details, the prices, and also the email address. If you want to buy it, just send an email. It'll be first come, first serve. What are you up to, love? Oh, that's cute.
Oh, look at baby Michael.
It's baby Michael. Good memories. My brother and I.
You look like Koda, actually.
You know, I love how many photos my dad always took.
Yeah, look here. Oh, you look like Koda.
A little bit, yeah.
She's so cute. Look how beautiful sexy your mom is, and your dad.
My parents were very, very good looking. I mean, they still are, but like, oh, this is one of my favorite like childhood photos of myself.
It's my favorite.
My parents had this hanging at the house. Oh, this is at my grandparents' house.
It's so cute.
I can remember this exact day. This was in Durban. This was in Durban, South Africa, where this was taken. I can remember this robot.
Look at you.
Motor Mike origin story.
And driving Mike. It starts at 1 year old. How old are you?
So cool. Look how cool I look with my sunglasses.
Oh, you're so cute.
That day I can remember as well. Funny enough,
Really?
yeah. Oh, the house I grew up in.
Oh.
It's funny when you decluttering, you stumble upon like very cute memories, nice memories. I found a lot of like drawings that some of you guys did for us back in the Making It Juicy on the Road days when we had the big meetups, and we would get a lot of gifts, oftentimes like sketched paintings and drawings of us. Really, really cute. And then my father always makes these photo books, so I have a few of those photo books, one for my 30th birthday. God, that's 10 years ago already. And yeah, it's nice. It's nice memories to have. So I have to be sure to store those things nicely so they don't get ruined anywhere. It's like very important and very cherished memories for me. Just a quick break here on the rooftop, quick break from packing here on the rooftop. I will say I am going to miss the swimming pool so much. We come up here so often just to take a quick break when we're working a lot all day and we need rest. Just come up here, read a book, have a drink for sunset. It is perfect. And wow, these flowers here are smelling amazing. Gives you Bali vibes here in the middle of MANILA, in the middle of BGC. So here is like always such a fantastic sunset spot, and this is one thing I am really, really going to miss once we have left. In any case, I'm incredibly excited for the adventures that are going to come in the next few weeks. And right now we are actually actively looking for a new place to live. May it be like a property where we can build a house on, or potentially to rent a house. We're not quite sure yet, but also because we're traveling so much in the next few weeks, there's no real urgency, because after these few weeks of traveling in November and December, we're going to be flying home to Europe to spend Christmas with my family. So we'll be gone for about a month in Europe. We're also going to do some traveling around Europe as well, just explore a little bit more, potentially also a trip to South Africa. So there's no real sense of urgency to move into a place now. The important thing now is to get the condo cleaned up nicely, and you know, the small touch-up work that we need to do. So as I said, when we're gone, there can be viewings done and people can take a look at the place and see how stunningly beautiful it actually is. But for now, I think we've done enough packing for today. I didn't film all like the clothes packing, so we're going to head back to St. Mark. We're actually staying at St. Mark for another few days. We enjoyed our staycation so much, and the place right now is so chaotic here with all the packing that it's just nicer and more comfortable to stay there. So let's head to the semi-home. But before we go, I just wanted to show you guys the gym, which is totally cool. Here we have like weights, a bench, AC, very important. And then you're working out with this stunning view here of BGC. So nice. You can actually go out here as well, which is pretty cool. We need a breath of fresh air. And we have here kind of a chest shoulder machine, a high-tech body fat scale that I use almost every day when I go to the gym, and then a ton of cardio devices, although I only use the treadmills for both running, and here I do dips, which is a good little hack. And there's also a cool game room with foosball and air hockey. And then also this kids room, super, super cool. See the comments. This video isn't even published yet. I already can see the comments. Who punched me in the face? It was Gray. She punched me. Joke lang. No, I have these strips. Actually, I can show you. I have these strips that I put on my nose. Where are they? So I have these Breathe Right strips. You put them over your nose, and basically they open up your nasal passages. That makes it easier to breathe. So when I'm sleeping, I have a deviated septum, so those help me sleep so much better. And also wear them during the daytime sometimes, just to make the nose breathing easy, because sometimes you slip into mouth breathing, which is proven to be very unhealthy in mouth breathing. So I started using nose strips, but somehow today I put it on incorrectly this morning, and it kind of hurt my nose. I kind of put too much pressure here, and I got a bit of a bruise here, but it'll go away soon, I hope. I hope it's not permanent. We're running around with a punched face. In any case, guys, thank you for joining in on this adventure of us. As you can see, we're back at the Airbnb. This adventure of us moving out of our MANILA condo. It's such an exciting time. It's
exciting, but also sad.
It's daunting and sad because we really love the place so much, but it's exciting because we get to travel more and experience more. And yeah, the place is just absolutely fantastic. If I could pack it up and take it everywhere with me, I would. But if we want to travel, it's just more practical to keep this place and stay in this place when we're in Manila, because the other condo, you can't put it on Airbnb because it's a very high-end condominium and they want it to be private. There's a few celebrities that live in the building. I'm not allowed to tell you who. But there are celebrities living there, like Tom and Kim.
Exactly.
Keto family. So yeah, they like to keep it very private and very exclusive. That's why the minimum rent period is always 6 months, no short-term rentals. Whereas this place, whenever we're not here in Manila, we can rent it out. And yeah, that is the situation. I'm excited to see. Oh yeah, guys, I said it before, there's an email in the description box. So if you're interested in one of the things that we're selling, also check out the other items that are for sale. They're all listed up in the description. Gray is currently putting it together, right? She's got her focused face. Yeah, that's it. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with another vlog of adventuring.
Any video, any recommendation?
Recommendations/requests.
Yes. Next song request.
Huh? Song request. What food would you like us to cook next? By the way, one second. It's not Gray cooking all the time. Just, I mean, she cooks the Filipino food, and I wanna film the Filipino food. It's boring if I'm like searing a steak or making pasta or something like that. Unless, would you guys like to see a cooking video of me cooking Western food? Because I cook the Western food. It's not always Gray cooking, right? Come on, love. You're making me look bad. Like people say.
I'm just joking. Of course you make so. Of course you cook for me. But I do want to try Austrian food,
yes.
From you. Not steak, not burger, not pizza, not pasta. That's it.
Okay.
Austrian food.
Austrian food.
Like blood or something. Like what you all eat in the West.
Blutwurst.
What do you all eat? What do you all eat in the West? Let me know.
Okay, guys. Let us know. Any video requests, any new cool places that we need to check out in Manila or around Manila, let us know in the comments down below. Also, anything like exciting happening in terms of Christmas events, things for Christmas, nice decorations, nice things to see, let us know. Bye-bye.